Sorry, guys. He's getting sentenced. Prison. 99 years. Today, we're becoming a judge. What do I know about judges? Absolutely nothing. I seen this game on Steam called You Are the Judge, and I don't know what I'm doing. Guys, I told y'all to give me game recommendations. Y'all did not come in. Y'all did not come in clutch. No, you did not. I don't know what we're playing. Okay, so Cobardity Court. Bro, what does that even mean? TBA, TBA. Okay, let's just click on the one that I can't click on. It is important to use social media carefully. It can get your... What? What did it say? Right is right, even if everyone is against it. And wrong is wrong, even if everyone is for it. That's a good quote. That's a pretty good quote. In your youth years, there would be quite a lot of protests against the government in your country, and in this case, you would use to participate in protest. You used to participate in protest. You wouldn't care about the protest. You used to find the protest unjust. I wouldn't care. You had to choose a university, and you made your choice. Law. You like a girl named Mary in law school, and now it's time to share your feelings with her. You said you loved her. You are hesitant to tell her that. You think you are not ready for the relationship yet. I mean, I'm in law school. Turning back on a girl like Mary wouldn't make much sense. Why'd I say it like that? Made it wouldn't make much sense.
What?
Much sense.
What?
As a result of your happy marriage with Mary, you have 2 sons. Mary told you you would be a great father. After graduating from law school, you started working as a lawyer. You choose the field you specialize in. We're gonna do criminal law. Although you had difficulty finding free time, you were happy to spend Sundays with your family. You would visit your spouse and children every Sunday. Museum. After practicing law for a long time, one of your best friends, Henry, encouraged you to take the judge exam. After you brought this subject up to your wife, Mary, you saw her a little worried. Okay. When you ask Mary about the reasons for her anxiety, she says, "Is this something you want? Are you sure? You won't neglect the children and me?" And ask the question. Me too. I don't know. That this will never be a problem for her and our children. Okay, let's lie to her. Mary said that although she didn't fully address her concerns, she would support you and always be there for you. And the long-awaited day came. Henry, your wife, Mary, and the children were waiting for the results to be announced. While waiting for the results, I was nervous. Can I just be a judge? Henry comes to you and says, "I believe you have succeeded from now on for a whole new..." Okay, he whispered next. With this announcement, you learned that your career as a judge has begun. Everyone in the house was in joy. Mary looked a little thoughtful, but she couldn't help but rejoice. While you were excited about your first day of duty, you heard the horn of your driver coming outside to take you to the office. After kissing Mary, you took your bag and went off to the office. Okay, choose your character. They all look like dickheads, but I'm gonna have to go with this dude. Okay, wait. Each one had... Okay, more money, Supreme Court relation, government relation. Wait, why is he all red? Okay, wait, he's all red too. I was about to be like, wait, this is racist. I don't know. This is gonna hurt. More money, government relation. Okay, let's just do this one. I like how he looks. I didn't even go off the stats. I'm sorry, we're not playing the stats. Okay. Alright. Hello. You need to complete a few steps to set up your system. If you're ready, let's continue. I get a phone call. Hello, Richard. How are you? Thank you, Minister. I hope you are well, too. The minister's calling me? Due to the recent appointments, you'll be starting your first day on the job. Do you feel prepared? Yes, Minister. I'm glad to hear that, Richard. I have a question on my mind. What is it? You're aware of the country's situation. Do you think you can handle this role? I have been working in the field of law for a long time. It won't be difficult for me. Your appointment of me is the biggest proof of that. If you don't believe in me, then appointing me to this position was not the right decision. Thank you, Richard. Okay. Guys, what did I sign myself up for? Oh, hell no. They got the Constitution. We are not reading this. I'm sorry, bro. I just want to be a judge. Please select your profile picture. What the... This is me. Your password? I don't want to use a password, actually. My password was 123, so... Okay, wait. Freak? Male? Human trafficking case? Okay. Let's go. Click on the flag. I'm sorry, bro. I'm not reading this, bro. I want to be a judge. Inspect the folder. Dear Judge, our greatest expectation as you participate in the upcoming cases is that you make accurate decisions in accordance. Thanks. Examine the phone. Pre-trial. Are you sure you want to go to the pre-trial hearing? Let's go. Alright. So, wait. Is this my... Oh, wait. I'm a judge now. Okay. We'll have the defendant start. My client indeed works under the border command at the border post. He's dedicated citizen. He is a dedicated, who is loyal to his homeland and understands the importance of his duties and responsibilities. There is no basis for him to engage in activities outside his job description. We firmly deny the plaintiff's allegations and request acquittal. This is, see, I should never be a judge. I don't even know how to read these words of my client. Okay. What do you have to say? What are the accusations of? My client caught about command, aims to secure our country's borders by preventing unauthorized crossings. However, it has been discovered that the defendant, who works at the border post, allows undocumented immigrants who had previously arranged with human traffickers to enter the country during his working hours. You will agree that this is an extremely serious and significant matter that jeopardizes our country's security. Therefore, we request this trial and the imposition of necessary penalties. Okay, pre-trial. Your Honor, Jeffrey. Accept, reject. Okay, wait. Check all the boxes. Okay. So wait, Your Honor, Jeffrey Clark has recently started working at the command at his distance. Therefore, he's not knowledgeable about the incident. To request that you reject his testimony as a witness. I'm gonna accept it. I'm gonna accept it. All right. Everybody in trial, please shoot a card before proceeding. You are the judge. Let's choose this one. Your relationship with the public will increase by 5 points. Cool. Bonus points. All rise. The lawsuit begins. All right. So, guys, I won't lie to you. We're fucked.
What?
They put me in as a judge, and I don't know what I'm doing. So the first thing we're going to do is we are going to go ahead and check the law. And according to the law, it says an individual or an organization commits the crime of a human trafficking by transporting people across borders to illegal means or by turning a blind eye to such transportation. Ranging from 3 to 8 years. Okay. The court may impose a fine of $300,000. Okay. All right. So let's take a look at his case file. Let's see. Alleged that one of his workers is involved in human trafficking. Okay, we read this. We've been through this. Witness, Andrew Turner, Jeffrey Clark. Defendant, Brandon Wilson. Okay, CCTV footage. It captures the illegal border of... Okay, so there is evidence. Okay, is there any way I can look at this evidence? Check the list. Okay. Yep, both were heard. The witnesses were heard? No, they weren't. Let's go ahead and call up the witnesses. Are you sure you want to proceed to the decision-making screen? No. We're not gonna do that just yet. We did look at the case file. I wish there's a way to actually look at it. Court behavior: respectful, general behavior: calm, respectful, excited, appearance, neat. Okay, cool. So we're looking at the behavior of the defendant and the alligator, the guy making allegations. You know what I'm saying? Let's look at the evidence. There's no way of actually looking at it though, is there? So there is evidence of it happening. The witness. I wonder how do I call up the witness? Examine the pretrial hearing records. Okay, I mean I have done everything, so I guess I just have to examine the pretrial, right? My client, Border Command, aims to secure our country's borders by preventing unauthorized crossings. However, it is discovered the defendant. Okay. So this is the pre-trial. This is the pre-trial. Oh, wait, the CCTV footage is right here. Okay. Oh, 4K. Oh, they caught you in 4K. This is... But I don't see any footage of him actually, you know, letting him go through. You get what I'm saying? Where is this criminal at? I would like to bring up the witnesses. And honestly, I honestly like it's let's see. Take a note. 4K footage, but I don't see any footage of the victim, or the suspect, actually allowing the people to cross. Okay, there you go. Put that as a note right here. Let's talk. Witness, call him up. All right, Soldier Andrew Turner, can you confirm that you worked alongside the defendant at the border? Yes, sir. Please forgive my excitement. This is my first time appearing in court, okay? And it's quite an experience beyond watching it on TV. So, wait. I'm a little lost. Are you actually here to, you know what I'm saying? Or are you just, like, bullshitting? And please remain calm and only answer the questions I ask. No, I haven't witnessed such a situation. I was added as a witness simply because we were on duty at the same hours. I don't know anything else. Okay, well... Okay, what would you like to say about the defendant's claim of mobbing? For myself, I'm satisfied with my job, and I don't want to lose it. I haven't witnessed any pressure on the defendant. Alright, thank you. That's all you gotta say. He's not guilty. The witness is bullshit. They brought the bullshit witness. I'm gonna make the decision. Are you sure? Yeah, I mean, hold on. Let me double check. Looked at the evidence. I don't see him. Let's talk, defendant. Let's talk. Were the duties you performed at the border post within your job? Where were the duties? Your Honor? Hold on. The duties I performed at the border post are within my job description and aim to ensure the security of our homeland. Okay, you mentioned that the situation is a false accusation. As a dedicated public servant who has been serving our country for years, the accusation against me is nothing but a false claim. Do you have anything to say about the evidence presented by the border? Your Honor, to be honest, I cannot claim to be very tech-savvy. However, despite my limited knowledge, I can say that these could be fabricated. Please believe in my innocence. Alright. Let's go ahead and see what Buster over here has to say. Hey, Mark. How you doing? Your claim is that the defendant misused his official position. Your Honor, esteemed members of this court, we have determined that the defendant was not at the duty station during his working hours. Oh, so he wasn't. We request the examination of the footage provided to the court and the testimony of the witness who were on duty at the same hours. Okay. What evidence obtained supports the allegations? Has security camera footage that supports the mentioned allegations and serves as clear as an indisputable evidence? I don't know. Refuses to admit the guilt and continues to waste the court's valuable time. We request that this be taken into consideration. Okay. Additionally, you can see in the security camera footage that his weapon is near the wires. Hold on. What are you yapping about? His weapon is near the wires. Is this a weapon right here? That don't mean nothing. Guys, I'm gonna have to make. I can't send his. Yeah, we're going to make the decision, guys. All right. I'm gonna prove that he's innocent. Defendant 1. Sorry. Whoa. Penalty. What the hell is this? Why am I getting penalized? I'm the fucking judge. Okay, your spouse mentioned that you are no longer having time for your family and that the situation is negatively affecting the children. What are your thoughts on this? Work is very busy, Will. You're right, I'll solve this. Let's solve it. How do we solve it? Okay. Murder case. Ooh, let's do a murder case. I want to see what this murder case is about. Let's do it. Social media. There's a smell of garbage in our street. Crime scene. Let's go to the crime scene. Let's go. Okay. Bro, why do I feel like I'm playing a mobile game? At the crime scene, a corpse identified that belongs to Miles Peter was discovered within a container. Additionally, strong odor is present inside the container. The container is a cold storage unit. Upon a thorough examination of the corpse, it was determined that there are signs of physical assault. Furthermore, there are instances of frostbite and loss of function in various limbs of the deceased. Okay, somebody definitely OD'd over here. Pills. Okay, hold on. Why do I feel like I'm playing a mobile game? You know what I'm saying? Like, I wish I can. I don't know. All this just looks like AI art. This is all AI. You know what? We're just gonna give them the benefit of the doubt. Let's look at the law. All right, we ain't reading that shit. All right. Let's see. Plaintiff Harper Gary. The body of Miles Peters was discovered inside a frozen food container during the routine inspection. We know, following a thorough investigation by our prosecution, it has been determined, based on witness testimonies and examined evidence, that the incident was committed by Lucien Foster, the CEO of the container's owner's company. The requirement of the punishment of the defendant. Okay. Okay, defendant. Let's see what you have to say. My client, Foster, is a prominent and respected businessman. We acknowledge that there was a heated argument between him and the deceased due to the engine failure experienced during the recent voyage. However, Foster has not seen the deceased after that argument. He personally desired a thorough investigation to shed light on this unfortunate incident. However, he denies the murder allegations brought against him. You know what, guys? I'm going to look at the evidence. Let's go to the case. We're going to look at the evidence, and the evidence is going to say everything. Okay, whoa, 4K footage right here. Hold on, guys. Hold on. All right. Let's look at the evidence. Heated argument. Okay. Evidence. Witness. We got they got 4 witnesses. Autopsy report. Frostbite. Drugs were found in this corpse. There are crushes on the skull of the corpse. Okay, yeah. So we're gonna go ahead and put him as guilty and death sentence. I don't even gotta talk to the witnesses, guys. I'm sorry. Actually, let me do that. Let me talk to the witnesses. Let's bring them up. Let's see what they say. Who doesn't look like a criminal? Robert. Come here, Robert. Come on up, brother. Never mind. You look like a criminal. Can you tell us about the severity of the magnitude of the argument? Let's start there. When I got there, I saw that both of them were engaged in a heated argument. Okay, but what? What's the severity? They were hurling severe insults at each other. And they're listening. Yeah. Sorry, guys. He's getting sentenced. Prison. 99 years. Alright, guys. Well, that's going to wrap it up for this video. I'm not going to lie. This just... It felt a little too AI-ish. I mean, a lot of the art was... I could tell was like built off AI. I wish they had actual voice dialogues. And then it's like... Like, what country are we in? What does Badakhstan mean? Like, I don't even know where the hell they put us in. Badakhstan. Whatever the fuck. Guys, that's gonna wrap it up. I sentenced 2 people, though. We got 2 people. 1 innocent, 1 guilty. At the end of the day, do we know who's who? No, I just randomly put a 50-50 quarter chance on it. If they're guilty, cool. If they're not, cool. With that being said, though, I'm gonna wrap this off here. Don't ask for a part 2. You're not getting it. I love y'all. Take care of yourselves. I'm gonna see y'all tomorrow. And goodbye.